talk about it, just do that shit. Got these bitches saying, yeah, he do that shit.
Yo, what is good, YouTube? Frank here with a brand new video, and today we have Supreme's Week 9 drop. I didn't make a video last week because I didn't like anything from that drop. Really, I just wasn't like you. Sometimes I feel like going for one or two things, usually like in the drop. And if I don't like absolutely like love it, I'll just sell it. But in this case, or last week's case, really like nothing stood out to me. Really nothing was like nothing. So this week we have a Lacoste collaboration. You guys probably already saw the pieces. I don't like making videos on like the stuff because well, I still have OBS open. I just feel like most people that are interested in these videos are like already know what's gonna drop, so it's pretty much whatever. But I do have it pulled up right here because I was not 100% sure on what I was gonna go for. Actually, before we do that, there's this dude that asked me about my frames. And I always tell him I'm gonna show him which ones they are, and I always forget. So we have like 3 minutes left for the drop. But if you're watching this video, these are the glasses that I have. Wait, I think they're these ones on I Buy Direct. They're one of the clear ones. No, they're these ones, Uptown. Yeah, they're specifically these ones. So that dude always asks me about my glasses, and I never tell him, but yeah, they're these ones. I just didn't find my email, so I couldn't make a video on it. But if you guys want some clear glasses, these are like super cheap. I Buy Direct or whatever. Like, just because he keeps on asking me, and I don't want to forget anymore. But yeah, these are the glasses that I use. Anyways, yeah, I was just gonna go for one thing this drop. It was gonna be this little flask because I'm not really like a huge fan of Lacoste. Honestly, I don't really fuck with it. But you know, if that happens to sell out, I will be going back for this butterfly jacket top. I don't know how to spell it or how to say it actually, but I do like that one. I do like I don't know, just something about butterflies. Shout out Cardi. But anyways, that's really all I wanted. A lot of the Lacoste stuff I don't like I said. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of it. Like, not really a fan at all. But I will be going for that. I don't think any of this stuff will. Well, I do see it going for like the hoodies, like $250 on Grailed, like just from the earlier drop. I forget which one it is. But I don't really care too much about it. So we're gonna be going for the flask, and that's pretty much it. I don't know if it'll be under accessories though. I feel like it should be. But yeah, about 30 more seconds left for the drop. And then some dude told me like my videos were unorganized, and like honestly sometimes they are, due to just because like I have to go to work like directly after this, so sometimes I just edit it super fast or whatever because I like to have it up as soon as possible. That might not be the best idea because they don't come out amazing always, but I'm gonna try and be a little bit more structured now, so thanks for the feedback. I appreciate that. Shouts out to everybody still watching though. I love all you guys. Like, thanks for fucking with the checkout videos. I appreciate it. Also, I hope we don't get declined. Oh my god, did I click on the wrong one? Okay, we're good. $74 fucking dollars. Please don't get declined. Please don't get declined. Please don't get declined. Please don't get declined. Please, please, please. Okay, I think we're Gucci. It says processing. As you guys saw on the, was it the North Face? Yeah, the North Face drop. I did get declined. I think we're good here though, because it didn't take me directly to the decline page. So now they have like a little loading bar at the bottom. I'm not sure what that's all about, but it looks like we're good. Oh no, bruh, it's like oh my god, yeah, this is just not, we might have taken an L, guys, and I really don't want to go back for anything else, so I'm just gonna wait here. I hope I don't take an L for the video because I hate that. I hate uploading a video where I don't check out. But let's see, processing. Okay, you know what, we're gonna go back and see if it's still in stock. Hopefully it, okay, it's still in my cart. Like, it's still showing up in my cart here. It's still processing. Shit. Did we get declined? Did we get blocked for the autofill? That's crazy because I feel like a lot of, well, I don't feel like it, but I've seen a lot of people actually talk about how their bots are actually working, which is crazy because, I mean, the fact that autofill people are getting blocked, like declined and stuff, doesn't make any sense to me, but this is not going through. Jeez. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Damn, this might be an L, guys. Might be an L. Or I don't know, but shit. And then a lot of times I haven't been, well, not a lot of times, but I really haven't been getting the order confirmations recently. I know that's happened to a lot of people. If you get a charge in your account, you're most likely Gucci. In some cases they'll cancel your order, but like I talked about in a previous video, if you have the UPS My Choice app, you can just like make an account with your address or whatever, and so it's still showing up that it's in stock. A lot of the Lacoste stuff is actually gone, aside from, no, yeah. So surprisingly it did sell out. Oh my god, why is it stuck there? Fuck. It's still there. Damn, this Lacoste stuff actually sold. I guess a lot of people fuck with it. I don't. So I don't really see a point for me going for it if I don't really like it. But that's just me. Do you? Like, even if it does sell out. Okay, there we go. We got it. We got the flask. I think that was an easy item to get, actually. Okay, well, it's sold out. Or not. Yep, it's sold out. It seemed like it was a pretty easy item to get. And I think it might be kind of small. Like, I have this. Wait, let me see. So I have this one. It's like a coffee mug. I don't know what it's called. It's kind of, I don't know how many ounces it is, but I saw photos on Instagram of that one, and it looked kind of tiny. So, hopefully it's not too tiny, because I do want to use it for like school. I was gonna use this one, but it's like a coffee one. So, well, not specifically for coffee, but it's like for hot beverages or cold beverages. Usually I just want water. So maybe I don't even know if a flask is going to do it either, but I lost my water bottle like 2 semesters ago at school, or someone stole it. So I don't know. We'll see how this one is. I don't really know like what this is going to look like in person. But it was a bullet, so I thought it was kind of cool. But yeah, anyways, that was it for today's video. I'm sorry I didn't buy anything from Lacoste. Like I said, I don't fuck with it. I could have done it for the video, but sometimes like when I do that, I just usually sell it, and I don't really want to, like, I feel like that wasn't going to give me that much of a profit. Like, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's just like my judgment. People actually do fuck with it like that. But like, I was seeing like the hoodies go for like $300, but I don't know if they're selling for that much, because usually people put them up for that much. But they don't, I don't know. Maybe I don't know anything about the Lacoste collaborations, but I don't really pay too much attention to those. So if they're reselling, let me know that I fucked up. But yeah, personally I didn't like it, so I just went for the flask. And like I said, that was it for the video. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll do my best to be more structured from here on out. But the videos might come a little bit later. Not that anybody cares, but anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Hopefully we have another good collaboration. But yeah, I appreciate every single one of you guys. And like I said, I'll see you guys next week. Peace.